Why does using from __future _ import print _ function breaks Python2-style print? I am new at programming with Python, and I am trying to print out with a separator and end, but it is still giving me a syntax error. I am using Python 2.7. Here is my code. And here is the error.
The whole point of from __future _ import print _ function is to bring the print function from Python 3 into Python 2.6+. Thus, it must be used like a function here. __future _ statements change fundamental things about the language. From the documentation, a future statement is recognized and treated specially at compile time. Changes to the semantics of core constructs are often implemented by generating different code. It may even be the case that new feature introduces new incompatible syntax, such as a neoserved word, in which case the compiler may need to pass the module differently. Such decisions cannot be pushed off until runtime. For the same reason, they must also appear first in the source code, before any other imports. The only things that can precede a __future _ statement are the module docstring, comments, blank lines, and other future statements.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.